Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you're here, on your profile, tap on it. Now you're going to tap on the messenger icon on the upper right. In here, I will tap on a friend. As you can see, I can click on his account. In here, tap the three dots. Now, let's tap on block. Let's do this as an example. Now, this friend of mine is already blocked on my account. Now to show you, I will now switch accounts to that same person. What I'm going to do next is search for the person that I may think is blocking me over at Instagram. This one over here. Once I tap on their profile, it should say user not found, and that is an indicator that he or she banned me over at Instagram. Even if you refresh, you will see that the user not found application or warning is still showing. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.